Well, as I was saying, after the HR recorded, they need to respond to what of the activities they think is the healthiest for the cardio respiratory system and why. Um, Moreover, we ask them if they can write another aerobic activity. So, with that, we can know if they understood which other activities or with other physical activity they can do to improve their aerobic fitness. Um, so for response to that, we help them with different language structures to answer why questions. So in this case, we use because, but to give the opinion, the structures, we give them two different structures. To give the neutral opinion, so in my view, I think, in my opinion, I feel that, and for giving a strong opinion, like I'm really, really convinced about something. So, for example, I'm absolutely convinced that, I'm sure that, I'm strongly believe that. So they can use these structures to answer to the activity. In this case, I put an example. In my opinion, the activity number 4 is the healthiest because it is a moderate exercise that is between my target heart rate limits. So that means my aerobic fitness improves more and I can keep doing exercise for longer without getting tired so fast. To improve my aerobic fitness levels, I could practice swimming, go by bike in the mountain, or dancing. For example, in this last part, the exercises are good, but maybe we need to specify in which level we can do this exercise. It's not the same doing a competitive swimming that a moderate swimming. Okay, and for the last task, that's the Padlet task I told before that they need to know to do it at home. Is a Padlet you can see the image about health and lifestyle around the world. Here is where the students can investigate about the healthy physical activity in different parts of the world or even in Spain. So the question is, did you know that? I have entered the link below to upload some information, curiosities, and facts in the Padlet class about things related with healthy physical activity and habits in our country and around the world. The students are allowed to do more than one input, so that means they are really interested in. And here is the link, so if you want to check it, you can just click in here. Moreover, we give to the students different websites where they can find an interesting information about physical activity for the health. So, for example, the World Health Organization, the Journal of Physical Activity and Health, or the International Journal of Physical Education, Sports and Health. But of course, they are free to look in other websites. So here is the end of my clear class physical education, and just I wanted to give some thinkings I had. Like it was quite difficult for me at the beginning to do this class because it's a different methodology, and you have to take into account that it's not a mother tongue. So, for example, for the scaffolding, I thought about to start uh, making the class talking slowly or using different sentences that means the same but in a different way. Of course, before the class, I should tell that we did maybe not an exam but a test to know what they already know which are the level of their English. And but well, I thought about a class where they have an intermediate level. But the question is that to improve that, we, for example, going from a slowly speaking to a normal speaking. Moreover, we can, for example, use less images or mimicking um, to let them know what are we talking about. So, because, for example, showing videos continually or showing images helps obviously the students to understand the content. The more we can go forward with the activities, so from easiest activities to more difficult activities where they need to write and understand more, to read more, because these exercises go from easy exercises where they have different supports like different web pages, images, of course the same teacher and the other partners. And well, that we want to encourage the students to go forward with the English, to go fluent, don't and get confident. So that's why we're going to step by step increase the difficulty of the activities and the language speaking. Moreover, I always feel confident by doing this physical education class because it's something that it's motivating for me. So if it's motivating for me, it's motivational. It's motivating for the students. And yeah, I think for the this methodology, it was something new for me, and it's something that I really like to improve because it's. I think with just 5 lessons, you cannot make maybe a proper clear class. I think I have a lot of things to improve. The English, of course. But yeah, I need to understand a little bit more about this methodology, and it should be good maybe to in the classes that I saw. It was too much theoretical thing. Maybe we should do not just the tests because it's still something theoretical. Maybe we should do this final project, but for in parts. I mean, uh, not all in one. Structure this project in at the beginning. Okay, do the objectives. The second part, the contents and the um, values and attitudes, the processes. Then, for example, the activities. So we can have a feedback of each part, and at the end, we can improve the project. I don't know if I'm explaining so good, but doing the project in parts. I think that would be better for us to understand and be so confident with this methodology and what we are doing. But at the end, I'm I'm glad to finally choose this subject, even I was not so convinced at the beginning. And we'll see if I understood good how to do a clear class. And that's all. This is my project and the activities I design, following of course your videos and other examples that I found and that you gave us that really helped me a lot. Thank you for watching.